Hello guys, good morning. We are here inside the cabin of the SMAN truck. So we are glad that management told us to all the trucks that not run will be bring back in the road. We are here to share with you the trouble of this MAN truck. This is also almost 6 months not running. So we are lucky to share with you what we can do here, what is the process that we make to put this one in the road. So guys, engine is working now, but we are starting only to check and troubleshoot what is the problem of this truck. So I want to share with you one of the trouble here in dashboard. So this one, code alarm FFR 00647-10. So it means that the clutch span has a problem. This alarm is refer to fan clutch or visco pan FFR 00647-10. So let we check that one. I put it up the cabin and check the clutch pan, what we can do, if we can repair or we can replace the visco pan assembly. Okay guys, let's do this. Guys, I already raised the cabin. So this is the engine. If you see, this is not a common rail engine. There is injection pump and the cylinder head of this engine is individual. So I also want to check the steering box because there is very hard to turn the steering. I thought that this has a leakage of the steering oil. So I want to show you the steering oil, if there is a steering oil in the steering tank. So let me open this one. As you see guys, the steering tank is empty. There is no oil. Maybe there is a leakage in the steering box. Let me check that later. This is the problem guys. The clutch coil is already stuck, jam. This is the cause why the fault alarm showing in the dashboard. So also the belt is worn out. We need also to replace the belt. Guys, this is the reason why the steering wheel is very hard to turn. When I open the rubber in the upper side of the steering box, all the oil comes out. So this is the reason why the steering is very hard. So we can also repair this one, another hard job. This is also a big job. We need to remove the steering box and repair. Very dirty. Guys, my assistant is start to dismantle the fan clutch. You know, this engine is very restricted. Almost no space to remove the bolts. No space to remove the fan. Very hard. But look at the mobile. This is the surroundings. There is a dates, plastic also flying in the sky. Oh my god, this is the surroundings here in the workshop. Very nice. And also the weather here is going down. The weather temperature here today is only 36. It's very nice. Guys, I already removed the fan clutch. very hard to remove this one, very restricted. And we need also to replace the belt. So now I set the camera ready, so to show you how to replace the belt. This is different than a common rail. Common rail is very easy to remove and install the new belt, but this one is very hard, different type. So I want to show you also, guys. Now guys, we need to lose the number 13 bolt, two pieces number 13 bolt that hold in the tensioner. We need here at our number 13 socket. So the tensioner is really loose. And we need the number 17 back rings. Okay. And remove the belt. Look at the damage of the belt, guys. We are lucky that it not cut in the while the engine is running. Guys, before we change with the new belt, first we need to check the bearing of charging alternator, bearing of the tensioner pulley, and bearing of the AC clutch before we install the belt. So this is how to install the belt. So now we already installed the fan clutch and also already returned the accessories. So we need to check this one and start the engine. Hello guys, we are done. We already changed the visco pan assembly, but our spare parts is not brand new. It is second hand. That's from other truck that we changed with the new one. So let me start the engine. So if you want to start the engine, guys, do not start immediately like this. Wait the light until it disappear. Wait the light until disappear, then start like that. coolant level too low. So now the alarm 6 FFR 00647-10 is already disappeared. So it is okay na yun. Hey guys, my video is end up here. So if you get some information or idea with this trouble, please give me a like and please subscribe also. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.